It takes one click to delete 40 products, and about 4 seconds to realize you can't undo it. Most merchants assume Shopify keeps a backup of their store. Shopify keeps the platform running, but your products, your orders, your theme, putting those back is on you. A deleted product page is a lost sale. A bad import is a refund queue. A broken theme on a Friday night is a lost weekend. This is Syncora. It backs your store up automatically, on schedule, and shows you plainly what's protected and when the next backup runs. And not just your catalog. Orders, customers, collections, and segments. Pages, blogs, files, and Metaobjects. Even your themes, right down to individual assets. 11 resource types. So when something does break, open the items version history and compare it side by side. Your live version and your backup field by field. Pick the date it was still right and restore. One product on its own, or bring the entire store back at once. And your backups shouldn't live only inside an app. Connect Google Drive, Amazon S3, Cloudflare R2, Backblaze B2, or push straight to your own server over SSH. It's your account and your keys. Choose the cadence that suits your store, pick the day, and Syncora keeps working in the background. And because the data is yours, you can move it, export a backup, then import it into another store. Build a staging copy, test a risky change, or launch a second storefront. And if a recovery ever gets complicated, there's a real person on live chat to walk you through it. Syncora, backup and restore for Shopify. Install it before you need it.